Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see, this is another clean with me, and today we are cleaning the downstairs in the kitchen. So if you guys need some cleaning motivation, go ahead and stay tuned for this video. I hope you enjoy it. Please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in the next one. So I decided to eat before I started cleaning like a crazy person, because if I don't eat, I'm crazy either way. But I decided to make me something to eat really quick, as you guys will see, and then I will proceed to clean after. But it's about 12 o'clock in the afternoon and I haven't eaten all day, so I'm like, let me go ahead and eat something before I get tired and unmotivated. So yeah, that's what you guys will see me do right here. So can we let this slide? Can't stand to see you cry. Come a little closer, there's something I have to say. I love you when I hate you, and I hope you feel the same. Come a little closer, baby, please don't walk away. I love you when yeah. Alright, you guys, don't be alarmed. I'm about to open up my fridge, and boy, oh boy, does it need a makeover. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's so unorganized and it's just a mess. My freezer as well. If you guys want to see me do a video on organizing it with containers, go ahead and let me know, because that's the next project on my list. See, boom, there it goes. It's a mess, you guys. I know. Don't judge me. We got this. My pain away. I have music playing so loudly. Sing me now in the night, wide awake. I'm wide awake. We don't need to explain it. We don't have to make any decisions. It is part of the deal. You like it? You like it? So who else still uses Clorox to clean? I know a lot of people are into like natural cleaning products, and I was for a while, but I don't know, I just have to find what I like again. But especially I like to use Clorox when my kitchen has been abandoned for a while, and we actually got back from camping, which is why my house is a complete mess. And yeah, we just threw everything on the counter, so I just really like to disinfect with Clorox. And also after I do the Clorox, then I'll go ahead and use the granite spray for my counters. If you guys have any products that you would recommend, go ahead and leave them down below. And let's share all of our favorite cleaning products, shall we?
It is part of the deal. You like it? You like it? So watch my body, just take it all in. Take it all in. Just take it all in. So pay attention, I'm coming your way. I'm coming your way. You like it? Hey, yeah. Oh, yeah. You like it? So watch my body, just take it all in. Take it all in. Just take it all in. So pay attention, I'm coming your way. I'm coming your way. You like it? Life is a party time. Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine, feeling that vibe. Feel so lit. Is it me and you now? Let me smoke that pipe. Feeling so tight, wanna dance with you. Rhythm takes control. Always on tonight, and you shine like gold. Ain't getting up now. Let me come real close. Baby, strike a pose. Slice the vibe. It's a party time. Wanna move my feet now. I wanna drink my wine. Feeling that vibe. We're so alive. Is it me and you now? Let me smoke that pipe.
I'm also curious to know if you guys prefer hearing like talk through cleaning videos or like a music playing cleaning videos or a mixture of both. I personally don't have a preference. I kind of like the music playing in the background because for me, that's what gives me my motivation and like seeing someone else clean to music. That's what I do when I'm cleaning usually. I like listen to music, talk on the phone, or watch YouTube, or listen to YouTube while I'm cleaning. Just curious, do you guys have a preference on what you prefer to watch? Again, YouTube with music while they're cleaning, a talk through while they're cleaning, a mixture of both. Let me know.
ever been so loud before. Just trying to make you understand my eyes and hands, but you don't even hear my call. And you make me wonder who I am. Do you know what I see? I see myself cry and say you won't be mad. Do you know what I feel? I'm sick of all your lies. Just say you want me. Say you want me bad. Say you want me mad. Just say you want me. Say you want me bad. Do you know what I see? I see myself cry. Do you know what I feel? I'm sick of all your lies. We can't compete with speed.
Okay guys, so who else dreads cleaning the floor? I don't know if it's just me, but I absolutely hate sweeping. I hate mopping and everything else that comes with it. So if you guys know an easier way to get this done, please let me know. If you guys know of any mops that are helpful, or I've been eyeing the iRobot thing that vacuums for you. I've been eyeing that. Let me know, you guys, if it's really worth it, because those are a little bit pricey, and I just want to hear you guys' opinions before we just go and drop money on this item. So let me know if you guys like that, and then what are some other easy ways to get the floor clean, if you guys have any other suggestions, because this is the best I got, you guys.
You know what I see myself cry. Do you know what I feel? Do you know what I feel? I'm sick of all your
Okay guys, what is your least favorite area in your house to clean? Mine definitely is my kitchen. Like, this took entirely too long, and I clipped out so much of this video because I absolutely hate cleaning the kitchen. Like, I absolutely have to have something playing, or I have to be talking to someone when I'm cleaning the kitchen, because I absolutely hate cleaning the kitchen. Like, I hate doing dishes, I hate cleaning the floor. Listen, throw a bathroom at me and I will clean that in a heartbeat. I know it's more gross, but I don't know, that's just my preference. I would rather not clean the kitchen unless I must. And you guys, when I tell you it was a must, y'all seen that before. It was definitely a must, and I could not look at it for another second like this. My boyfriend and I, we have this thing where I'm the cook of the house. He cleans after I cook, but like I said, we had just got back from camping and he worked a lot, you guys. So I just decided to take care of the kitchen for him. But typically, this is his job. like my cleaning video has come to an end. Please let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Love you. Bye.